Hello everyone, in this tutorial we will see how to integrate Firebase in our Flutter project. So I have created this project with the help of Flutter create command. Now let us see how to integrate Firebase in this project. So firstly let us open the Google Chrome and log into your Firebase account. After successful login you will see this type of screen. So let us create a new Firebase project. Just click on it. Now we need to give the project name as well, which is demo1. Then click continue. So if you want to enable Gemini, you can enable it. Now click on continue again. So now we need to configure Google Analytics as well. So choose demo that we have created earlier, create new project. So now our project is creating. So now our Firebase project is ready. Click on continue. Now just go to the project overview and click on setting, then project setting. Now we need to select a platform for it. So our basic platform is Flutter, so choose Flutter. Now we need to add Firebase to your Flutter app. Now we need to prepare our workspace. So firstly we need Flutter CLI. So I will provide this link in the description below, so you can check it from there. Now we need to install Firebase CLI. So if your operating system is Windows, so what you can do is just install Node.js. After installing Node.js, you can just paste this command in your terminal, which is npm install -g firebase tool, and this will install your Firebase CLI. So now if you are macOS or Linux user, you can go for Node.js if you are from the Node.js background. So if you don't know about the Node.js, you just go for it auto install script and just copy this statement and go to your VS Code and paste this command and press enter. Basically this will install the Firebase CLI. Now our Firebase CLI has been installed. In my machine this is already installed. So now next step is to log in and test the Firebase CLI. So what you can do is just use this statement, which is Firebase login, and paste it here and press enter. Basically this will authenticate your current project. So if you want to enable Gemini in Firebase, give yes, again press yes. Now this will authenticate your Firebase account. Press on continue, allow it. Now our Firebase CLI login successfully. Now after successful login, what we can do is we can just list it out our Firebase project. So just copy this statement and paste it here and press enter. So now these are the project lists that we have created using Firebase. So now let us clear the terminal first. So now we need to initialize the Firebase. So for this, just type Firebase and then give init and press enter. Now this will initialize the Firebase. Now we need to choose which type of feature we want. So firstly we need Firestore. In the Firestore just press space bar, and if you want to use another services, you can use it, just like app hosting functions, cloud functions. If you want storage, so let us choose storage as well and press enter. After this we need to choose use an existing project, press enter. Now we need to choose our project, which is demo, and press enter. After this will set up the Firestore. Now we need to give the location of our Firestore database. So let us choose Asia East 1 and press enter. We can define Firestore rules later, so just enter. And for the Firebase index, we can use firebase.index.json file, so just enter. For storage rule, we will use storage.rules, press enter. Now our Firebase initialization is complete. So now open the Google Chrome and just go to the demo. Now just click on next. Now we need to activate Flutter Fire CLI, so just copy it and clear the terminal first and paste it here and press enter. And now our Flutter Fire CLI is activated. Now just copy this. We need to configure it as well and paste it here and press enter. Now we need to choose the platform for it. So we will go for Android and press enter. Now Firebase registering our app for Android. for iOS as well. Now this is also generating for macOS, for web as well. Now our Flutter app is registered for both web, Android, iOS, macOS and Windows as well. So now we can see that our Firebase option file is generated. Now just open the Google Chrome and press next. Now after this we need to copy this and paste it here. Now we need to use Firebase. So for this, just open the pubspec.yml file and here just give Firebase. We need to use core for it. Now our dependency is installed. We need to use async here. Now our project is ready. Now firstly let us see the Google services.json file which is there in Android, then app, then here it is Google services.json file which is generated by the Firebase. So now in this you will find your app ID which is com.example.firebase integration. Now we need to do the binding as well. So for this we will use widgets flutter binding.ensure initialized and run your application. And now our application is launching. Now our application built successfully. Here you can see. Now we have successfully integrated Firebase in our Flutter application.